TikTok has exploded in popularity over the last few years, becoming one of the most influential social media platforms among Gen Zs. With over 1 billion monthly active users that are highly engaged, TikTok presents a major opportunity for affiliate marketers in 2024 and beyond. In this video, I will teach you everything you need to know about successfully promoting affiliate products and making money through TikTok, even if you have 0 followers. There are many affiliate marketers on TikTok. Here are some examples of affiliate marketers who are making it very big on TikTok. GiveGecko has tapped into TikTok success, amassing over 450,000 followers. As an Amazon affiliate, he creates videos showcasing unique and clever products that most people won't even know are from Amazon, ranging from handy home gadgets to outdoor devices and everything in between. His entertaining videos highlight the core benefits of each product, sparking that instant "I need it" reaction from viewers. Once their interest is piqued, GiveGecko redirects audiences to his TikTok profile page, which links to his website. From there, visitors can explore the affiliate links to all the quickie Amazon products featured in his videos. By leveraging Amazon's extensive catalog of items along with TikTok's hyper-engaged audience, GiveGecko managed to build a viral following and drive consistent traffic to his affiliate links. His profile acts as the bridge between the two platforms, effortlessly transitioning curiosity into product discovery and purchases. It is a model of TikTok affiliate marketing mastery. Another example of an affiliate marketer that is making it big on TikTok is Justice Buys. Justice Buys is a popular TikTok influencer with over 1 million followers. He regularly posts videos promoting various products available on Amazon, including seasonal items, kitchen gadgets, and home goods. His videos often capture millions of views. Justice earns commission by directing his audience to his website, which contains affiliate links to products he features. As an influencer affiliated with Amazon, he can make money when his followers purchase products after clicking through his links. What is affiliate marketing on TikTok? TikTok affiliate marketing involves creating videos to promote affiliate products and earning commissions for clicks or sales via unique affiliate links. Success relies on content creation and audience size. Besides organic traffic, TikTok offers paid advertising options for a broader reach. Combining organic content with in-app promotion tools maximizes visibility. Affiliate marketers often integrate TikTok into their traffic sources alongside blogs and other social media to diversify strategies and avoid relying solely on one affiliate platform. Why should you use TikTok for affiliate marketing? TikTok's remarkable engagement with almost 2 billion monthly users position it as a dynamic marketing tool. It boasts of the highest engagement rate of 17.96% compared to YouTube and Instagram. What makes TikTok even more enticing is that 40% of Gen Z relies on it for product research and 55% regularly discover new brands. This engaged audience is a gold mine for affiliate marketers. Remarkably, 4 in 10 users make immediate purchases based on TikTok discoveries, rising to 5 in 10 for live videos, simplifying the conversion process. For affiliate marketers, this means a prime opportunity to present their links precisely when users are ready to buy, potentially leading to significant commissions. If you're getting any value from this video, please hit the like button in order to support me to keep making videos like this for you. Also subscribe and click on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I publish a new video. How does affiliate marketing work on TikTok? Affiliate marketing on TikTok isn't that different from how it is done on other social platforms. The same best practices around transparency and disclosure applies. You still need to let your audience know when content is sponsored or when you have an affiliate relationship with a brand. Does allow you to get creative with the types of viral, entertaining videos and challenges that tend to thrive there. If you are new, affiliate transactions involve multiple parties, typically ranging from the affiliate marketer, the brand, the audience, and possibly the affiliate program platform. Here's how all of them work. 1. The product creator or merchant. This is the company that creates the product and decides to make use of the affiliate marketing model. This can be the manufacturing company directly or a retailer that chooses to use affiliate marketing to make more sales. 2. The affiliate network. Affiliate networks make life easier for both product creators and marketers. Rather than dealing directly with multiple companies, marketers connect with the network, simplifying the process of choosing from a variety of affiliate programs and products. The network handles all the complicated behind-the-scenes work, whether it is digital, physical, or subscription-based products. 3. The affiliate marketer. This is the person who signs directly with the product creator or affiliate network to help them market their product in exchange for a commission. In the case of TikTok affiliate marketing, the person will promote the affiliate products through their TikTok videos. 4. The customer. These are the people who buy affiliate products. In the case of TikTok affiliate marketing, they are most likely to be the people who watch your video content. All affiliate links contain a unique code that allows the product creator or affiliate network to track the number of clicks you get. You can embed this link to your TikTok video content in a place where it can be easily accessed. As long as you provide value and helpful recommendations to your followers in an authentic way, TikTok's highly engaged users are often highly responsive to affiliate links and promotions. The key is learning how to capture attention and spark interest in the quick, visually focused video format that TikTok is known for. Ways to make money with affiliate marketing on TikTok. There are a good number of ways to promote your affiliate products on TikTok. I'll first cover how anyone with a TikTok account can market other brands' products to earn commissions. And next, how any business can effectively promote its affiliate program on TikTok. Promoting others' products on TikTok. 1. Leveraging organic traffic. When it comes to any promotion, nothing beats organic traffic. Most people prefer getting their traffic organically because it's often free and generates long-term return on investment. Plus, people are wary of ads, so they mostly try not to click them. TikTok is one of the best platforms to discover or to gain massive organic reach because even as a new creator, you have the potential for your content to go viral. Here are ways you can leverage organic traffic. Provide a hyperlink to an external URL. TikTok doesn't really offer the option to add clickable links to your videos, and this is a problem for affiliate marketers. I know what you may be thinking. Can't I just drop my affiliate links in the comment section? How I wish it were that easy. Unfortunately, TikTok doesn't allow clickable links in comments either. And even if you manually type out a super long, complicated affiliate URL, most people wouldn't bother rewriting all that before visiting. I mean, who wants to go through the hassle of copying a 50-character link? Plus, it is also against TikTok's policy to add links in the comment section. People are lazy and avoid stress whenever possible. So forcing them to manually input an affiliate link before clicking is not going to convert well. Sure, it might work a little bit if your link happens to be clean and shorter, but in most cases, leaving hard to click affiliate links in comments is a conversion killer. The engagement just isn't there compared to other easier linking strategies. However, there are ways to skip the comment links and make things seamless for your audience instead. First, you have to get 1,000 followers before TikTok can enable you to add clickable links to your account profile. When you reach 1,000 followers, follow these steps to add a link to your profile or bio. Step 1. Click on the Me icon at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Step 2. Click the Edit Profile button. Step 3. You will see a section that shows Add Your Website. Click on it and add your affiliate link or a link to your website. This is how you can add a link to your TikTok profile. If you have multiple products with separate links, you will have to select the most important link since you can't add more than one link to your bio. So, a way to do this is to repeat this process each time you want to promote a different product. It would be best to shorten your affiliate link using a URL shortener to make the link short and clean. However, if you prefer adding all of your affiliate links at once, there is this little workaround that helps you add a ton of affiliate links in one spot, even with TikTok's one link limit. The trick is to use what is called a link tree, bridge page, or landing page. Basically, you put all your affiliate links onto a dedicated page on a link tree or your website. That way, instead of switching your TikTok with 5 different product links, all you need is that one bridge page URL. Just copy your bridge page link or your website link in the bio, and your viewers can tap through to find whatever affiliate offer or product they want. It makes it super clean and simple on the TikTok side. Then, this will help people to land on your organized bridge page, showcasing all your affiliate links. This is a solution for promoting multiple offers at once while dealing with TikTok's stingy link allowance. Offer discount codes to followers. Advertisers are often happy to offer discounts or coupon codes to affiliate marketers or social influencers because they understand that getting the right product in front of the right audience can result in a great return on investment. You can give these codes to your audience by mentioning them in your videos or including them in your captions, but always remember to be transparent about your coupons so your audience will know what is in need for them and how long the coupon will last before expiring. Add the URL in your video description. This method is kind of slow in terms of getting clicks because your audience have to manually type the link into their browser to access it. As I said before, people are lazy and will avoid stress whenever possible. 2. Utilize TikTok's paid advertising. As a beginner who is just starting out as an affiliate marketer on TikTok, you probably have few followers and your videos won't have many views. In this case, using TikTok's paid advertising is a great option as it allows you to reach a more targeted audience even with zero or few followers. Paid advertising on TikTok is similar to Facebook and Instagram ads, where you have to pay to get your ads to appear on your viewer screens. You can target your ads to super specific demographics and interests, which is awesome. How much you will pay depends on a silent auction system where advertisers bid for an ad placement. Prices vary on how competitive your target niche is. How to drive traffic to your TikTok affiliate links and increase your commissions. To become a successful affiliate marketer on TikTok, you will need a considerable amount of viewers for your videos. So, how do you make this happen? Here are some steps you can take to increase your followers and reach more audiences on TikTok. 1. Be consistent. Posting consistently should be at the top of your priority list. In order to gain a loyal following on TikTok as an affiliate marketer, you need to remain visible in your followers' feeds. That means showing up day after day with engaging content. Aim to post 1 to 3 new videos per day to unlock exponential growth. Consistency transforms TikTok from a hobby into an income stream. Developing a consistent content schedule also trains your viewers to expect new videos more often. 2. Be smart. Gaining a massive following requires catching up with trends and the broader TikTok community. Tap into viral sounds, effects, challenges, and memes that are blowing up. This allows you to tap into communities with thousands or even millions of video views quickly. Take what is already hot and put your own creative spin on it. Most importantly, provide actual value to viewers beyond just chasing trends. Solve problems people are dealing with. Address questions they have. Feel a need, entertain or surprise them. Build content that leaves a lasting positive impression. This earns genuine emotional investment rather than just chasing temporal hype. 3. Network a lot. Leveraging collaborations and cross promotions will accelerate your affiliate marketing growth on TikTok. Successful creators have built massive audiences by networking with others in their niche. Cross promotions, whether through duets, stitches, guest videos, live streams, or other avenues, allow small creators to benefit from the larger followings of partners. Expand your reach through authentic networking. 4. Hashtag less. Hashtag play a crucial role on TikTok when it comes to discoverability, but more does not always equal better when it comes to tagging videos. In fact, overly spamming irrelevant tags can actually limit your exposure on TikTok. The best practice is choosing just 1 to 3 precise niche hashtags per video. This ensures your content shows in searches directly related to your products or offers. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos on how to make money online. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.